want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on.
Hi everyone, my name is April. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. I hope you guys are doing really good. Hope everyone is having a beautiful day. I had planned on uploading this video yesterday, but I didn't have time to finish everything. So sorry, I announced on my community post that I would be giving more information at the end of the week, and I just wasn't able to do that as soon as I wanted to, but here we are today. I am totally obsessed with farmhouse decor. As you know, if you're brand new here, now you know, I do Dollar Tree DIYs, trash to treasures, and thrift store makeovers. It's been a while since I've done a Dollar Tree DIY, so I thought today we would do some Dollar Tree DIYs, so I hope you like them. If you are brand new, please hit the red subscribe button and tap the little bell so you get notified every time I upload. And you guys, I just want to say thank you from the very bottom of my heart for 20,000 subscribers. I don't even know how that happened. You know, I only upload once a week, and you guys, I make so many mistakes. I'm like, why does anyone even subscribe to me? But I love you guys so much. You're all so sweet, so kind, and I'm so happy to have even reached 20,000. So I am going to do a giveaway. Doing YouTube has been so much fun. I have met so many kind and sweet people, both subscribers and creators, and every single person that I have met, other YouTubers, have been just amazing. You guys are just awesome, and I love you guys. And I also love all of you, all of my subscribers so much. I appreciate you guys. I love talking to you in the comments. You guys make my day every single day, so thank you so much. And I am doing a giveaway. I thought that I would do a Dollar Tree giveaway, which I'll be announcing more details throughout the video, so make sure and enter if you're interested. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so DIY number one is going to be Farmhouse Beads. These are really easy to make, you guys. I'm just using 2 packs of Dollar Tree beads, some Dollar Tree wooden skewers, and some jute twine. And then I have this thrifted yarn that I'm going to use to make my tassels. So I just took out 3 of the skewers, and I think I put about 12 beads on each one. And I was able to get enough of the very biggest beads out of the 2 packs to equal, I think, like 24. You can count here if you want, but it's like 24 big beads. And then I like the look of the smaller beads mixed in, and so I used some smaller beads as well. And then I'm using red and blue Waverly chalk paint, which you can get at Walmart. They also have white. And then I ordered some Dixie Belle paint recently, so I'm using the color drop cloth. It's just not a stark white. I just think it looks more rustic. And so I used the Dixie Belle for the white. And I did start off by painting all of my beads white, and then I went over 2 of the strands with the red and the blue. And next, all you do is just start stringing on your beads. I did put a little hot glue on the tip to make kind of a needle. You can also do that with tape. It just makes them easier to string. And you can do any pattern that you want. I just did red, white, and blue. I think it looks pretty, but I've seen so many different patterns. You could do, you know, just whatever you like. And next, I just tied double knots at the end. And you guys, if you've been with me for a long time, then you know that tassels are not my strongest thing. So I did make some tassels, and then I just decided to hot glue them on. If you want to actually attach yours, there's lots of awesome videos on YouTube that you can look up on how to do that. And then I took some of this Dollar Tree ribbon. I just love this ribbon. I got it a while ago, and I just wrapped it around the top part of my tassels and then glued it with a little hot glue and cut off the excess. And I just think it looks really cute, and it also hides my mistakes. DIY number 2 is going to be Rustic Stars. I picked up 3 of these wood stars at Dollar Tree. They were in the Crafter Square section, so if you have that section in your Dollar Tree, make sure and check there. And I just cut off the little strings and removed the stickers off the back. I started off by painting them all in the drop cloth color, and then I went over the two with the red and blue again, and then I just took a little piece of sandpaper and distressed them, and that was it. These would look so cute on a tiered tray or just sitting on a shelf, and they're so easy to make over. And I do want to mention that if the holes bother you, I'm going to show you how you can easily just make a little bow out of some jute string. You could even use the string that you cut off and hot glue them on. The holes don't bother me, but I'll show you what they look like both ways. DIY number 3 is going to be a family sign. I've had this family sign for quite a while. I can't remember exactly when I picked it up. I want to say it was, I don't know, several months ago, and I never made it over. I actually bought 2 of them, so I thought of an idea, and I don't know if I would recommend this. You guys will have to let me know. I took 2 paint sticks, which you can buy a whole pack of paint sticks at like Home Depot for 97 cents or something like that. So these are so awesome to use for crafting projects, and there's so many different things you can make out of them. But anyway, I took 2 of them. I used some of this Waverly antique wax mixed with the paint just to give it kind of a wood look. I hot glued them on the top, and then I took a wooden skewer just to make it more sturdy and hot glued it on the back. I cut it down so that it was a little bit shorter, and as you can see here, I hot glued it, and then I used the rest of the piece that I cut off. I cut that in half and hot glued it on the ends, but it still just isn't super sturdy, so that's why I don't know if I would recommend it. I would definitely say that you should use E6000 if you do make this. I do think it's super cute, and I thought I would share it with you since I did make it, and I think it's totally fine if you just set it on a shelf. I just took a little plant that I got from TJ Maxx and set it behind, and I think it's really cute. So you guys will have to let me know what you think.
Lately I have had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light.
DIY number 4, Rustic Farmhouse Star. This is our final DIY, and this is my favorite DIY. Here I'm showing you different wire that you can use to attach your jar or your bottle. I saw this on Pinterest recently, you guys, and I think it's so cute, and I want to make it again for Christmas time. But all you have to do is, like I'm showing here, just lay your lay your sticks out in the shape of a star and hot glue them down. Really super simple. And then the one I saw on Pinterest, they used a jar, but I have these little Dollar Tree bottles that I thought would work perfect, and I just took some jute twine and hot glued it around each point of the star. You can do as much or as little as you like, and you could paint this star any different color. I thought about painting mine white, but I decided I just like it natural too. So you do yours however you like, and you can also use a jar or a bottle. I chose to use this little Dollar Tree bottle. I think it looks so cute, and it makes it not as heavy too. And so I just painted it white and then gave it a little distressing with a piece of sandpaper. And at first I was going to use the heavier floral wire, but then I had this lighter kind, and so I decided to use this instead. It's just easier to work with. And so as you see here, I just wrapped it around the mouth of the jar and then kind of stuck it in the back and wrapped it around. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, I wasn't very good at keeping my project kind of in the center of my camera shot this time, but I just pulled it back through the front and then tied it on the front and then cut off the excess. And then I took some jute twine, and not only because I like the way it looks wrapped around the top, but it also hides the wire. So I just hot glued some jute twine, and again, you can use as much or as little as you like. Just wrap around quite a few times and then cut it, and that's it. And I think this is so cute. And then I had some greenery that I stuck inside, but you could put flowers. If you didn't want to paint yours, you could put lights. That would be really pretty. Oh, and I did put some hot glue in the back of the base. I hot glued it, and here I'm just showing you how sturdy it is, and that's it. And it turned out so cute, and I think this would look good anywhere.
I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night.
So I hope you guys liked all those DIYs. Now I just want to give you a quick garden update. This is my tall raised bed that I got at Walmart a few years ago, and this is just right as you step out of my garage in the back. I have strawberries, tomatoes. This is a lavender plant that I still need to plant, and this is tarragon, I think it's called, and then some more lavender, and then little radishes growing in the front. The first thing that I showed was radishes. Down here, these are morning glories. I just planted them for the heck of it. I think they're really pretty. And then these, I can't remember what I planted here, and I don't remember what this is called. I think it's some kind of an herb. And then I don't know what these are called either, but they're really pretty. I buy them every year. And these are sunflowers that will only get about, I don't know, like 12 to 18 inches tall. So they're perfect for pots. And then more of those flowers and some more strawberries. And then I have this hanging plant on my fence, and then out to the garden area I have these 3 raised beds, the ground level raised beds that my husband built for me a few years ago, and I love them. And these are all zinnia. I stuck some Dollar Tree skewers in there because the cats, like the neighbor cats, keep getting in my garden, my raised beds, and my little garden sign fell down. I can't find the rope for it, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But entering into my garden now, you guys, I'm sharing my garden with you, even though it is a big mess right now. I have tons and tons of weeds, but those are my beans, those are tomatoes, those are my 2 cucumber plants, which are not doing good. This soil is just terrible. This is a sunflower, I think, from last year. And then I have these little helicopter things that landed all over my garden this year, and I tried to rake them up, but they just sprouted everywhere. So I am battling those. And I have sprayed my garden for bugs. You can see they were kind of eating up the plants. These are squash and zucchini and pumpkin and watermelon. And then I have some more plants over here. Looks like I have zucchini and squash. And these are sunflowers, which really need thinned out, but those will be really tall, giant sunflowers. And so when they're growing too close together, you want to just let them grow, you know, because you never know which ones will actually sprout or won't make it. So once they get about that tall, I start thinning them out. These are zinnias. I actually have 4 ground level raised beds, but I had my husband move this one into the garden this year. I thought it would look pretty to grow some zinnias. And these are sunflower seeds that kind of washed their way down to this area. So I'm just going to let them grow right here. And thinning those out too. They need to be thinned out because they just can't grow that close together. Once they start getting bigger, they do need more space in between each plant. And then moving on over here, you're really gonna see, oh, these are more sunflowers here. I have 2 rows. I have the big giant mammoth ones in the back, and then I have smaller ones that have like multiple blooms on them in the front. And then here's my corn. I'm showing you here. I had my husband spray weeds. Listen to me. I had my husband. I could have done it myself. But anyway, he did it for me, which was nice. He sprayed the weeds, and I had him spray the main open section, but I didn't want him to spray around the plants because I was worried that it would kill them. So I'm going to hand pull all of these weeds. I would just rather do that than risk my plants dying. Those were all sunflowers, rows of sunflowers that will be the shorter sunflowers, which are really pretty, I think, next to vegetables, and they just look nice in a garden. These are California poppies and cosmos, and then this is a cosmos. This is what they look like, but the ones that I plant from seed will get a lot taller. And then those were flowers. I don't remember what they are. And so that is basically it. That's a little update. So I hope you enjoyed, and I love you guys. And now that we're to the very end of the video, I totally forgot to mention the giveaway. So this is everything I got at the Dollar Tree for the giveaway. I got some stuff to make a tiered tray. I thought one of you might like to make a tiered tray. I bought some wood signs that I thought would be fun to craft with. The star I didn't notice until I got it home. It's a little bit warped. I got these cute tags. Those are new at my store and I thought they were really cute. I got these beads. Those are fun to craft with. I got some wooden beads. I got 3 different stencils that I thought would be useful to craft with. And those are also new to my store. I got some jute twine, 2 things of nautical rope, a little roll of lace. I got some foam brushes, different sizes of wooden dowels and some wooden skewers. I got some wooden blocks and some little finger covers for hot gluing so you don't burn your fingers. I think those are really handy. And some pretty contact paper. And to enter the giveaway, just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment letting me know that you want to enter and let me know what you're thankful for. And that's it. That's all you have to do, and I will announce the winner next Friday. Bye!
I don't know what it is.